Do you know faulty garage doors can pose security issues and affect your homes? Smith's Garage Doors Alpharetta can help fix your garage doors, ensuring they continue to function optimally. We proved ourselves as trusted garage doors repair provider many homeowners turn to, so you're in safe hands. They can fix minor issues with your garage door or install complete a brand new garage door system for you. Reasonably priced and come with upfront price estimates so you know what you're getting beforehand. For additional details, please click on the link in the description.